Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, we don't have a clear trend. Even though QQQ and SPY was gapping down, it reversed and was on an uptrend, but looks like now it has changed. So today I think it would be really difficult to trade because we don't have a clear trend. Tesla also following a similar pattern. So I may have to exercise some caution going into market open, wait for the perfect setup and pull the trigger when the opportunity is presented. Now that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 6 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. 10 I got in. $8.50 I got in. I think I have to cut it. Not planning to add again. Got out. $800 loser, but that is something I could work with. $8.20 I got in. Got out of one contract. Out. Made almost $300 back. Got in around 14.30. Out. 14.60. I look to buy again. If SPY could give me a decent pullback, I'll be interested. $13. That's not good. I have to get out for now. See how it's flushing. Clearly reversed. Now I'll watch this level, which is yesterday's close. Getting in at $7. I'll look to add. added. Selling 2 at 9:30. Selling 1 at 10:20. I'm just holding one contract. Out. I'm pretty certain this is going to go down again, but I just wanted to lock in my profits. I'll try to repeat the process. $12.20 I got in. Got out. I thought I was selling this contract around $12.50. Anyway, that's fine. Got in around $11.40. $12.60. I got out of one more contract. Perfect. $524. $800 loser to a $500 winner. No reasons to complain. Beauty of trading SPX is that even though you're wrong a couple of times, you just have to be right one time. It could make up for all your losses, provided you manage your risk properly. So I'll wrap it up for today. An exciting day of trading, from going red, $800 to being up $500. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.